Onye na onye.
Enkanka me fa medro na. Menya kra.
Awo Fedro.
Yeah.
E kaso afọ mo
ya. Da fon kra me fedi.
Mo ya ma mo ho anyway,
in fact,
so
me fa bibi mu ankasa.
Oh, Matiase. Pa. Right, into Sex a very beautiful song. Nyoma obi atumi relate.
You like sex, eh?
But genre.
You like sex, eh?
Is what genre is it?
You like sex, eh? Oh, you don't like a sex song?
My sex is a female.
Baby.
So
you like sex, eh?
Okay, so
common question. Oh yes, I like.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm trying to process it. Yeah, the sex. I just said the sex song is a very nice song.
Oh, that now what you trying to answer?
I already said that.
No, na maybe sa will be Say asime petekude no. No I
like the song Sex, and I know I'm not the only person who likes it. Everybody
but
likes
I was
the
asking
song.
You.
And I'm saying that the song Sex is beautiful. You were very creative about it as usual. So I just want to know the genre.
A High Life.
A High Life.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
High Life.
So High Life, I say you like.
Okay, so there, you see, you would want to twist it anyhow you want, but certain things you didn't leave out.
Okay.
Guitars. It was a timing. Nyama bi wo mu a High Life enyum. Rhythm near High Life.
Okay.
Most gospel artists use High Life, but content in a near gospel.
Okay.
A lot of them. I can even say 90% of gospel artists. No?
Oh, okay.
Use OJ uses a lot of nice High Life rhythms. Ohima Mercy, you name them. Joyce Blessing. Joyce Blessing or two man High Life or send over to New show because exactly and one or the attitude way in the you understand. So High Life dey away.
Okay.
And ya maybe as I say yadi ni yama ye ni ku ho. I say we abofre bi our talent but I say say bia ba kono ne ho ya fe obi hu no say we no of into no no ko boutique or ntare man. But if you pay attention to this one, I be one say bia ne dey no nkoya ho fe. Ba bia ne dey na ko football.
Okay.
Then so discover where then April. If we pay attention, yenye no heritage, High Life it defines us Ghanaians musically.
Okay.
Every country has its music. Cote d'Ivoire for one there. The francophone countries one more there. Every country define them. Oko Mexico Antonio Banderas for Krumwa. Almost they have a way they also play theirs. What's the because away Mexican stuff? What's the opposite way Congo for stuff? You know,
right?
Like every country has theirs. And then I hear the end there, we cannot promote it. Jamaica is a smaller country than us, but they've promoted theirs. We've had Bob Marley's and Still Paul's and you name them from the place. Don't you have beautiful musicians here?
We do. And I'm sure, so like you're saying, with time and then with cautious efforts, conscious efforts.
The more we're saying it, the first time to say, oh, Ampao, or sort of for near a similar thing, oh, Ampao. Then not afraid or person, so High Life, then a language, you know. I'm planning to be doing videos, maybe I'm a booba, my chest, if possible. And I say, the best sentence, cry. So, never Obi timi friend Daddy Kumi saying.
Oh, so the Obama.
There be Uncle Femi Bra. Daddy saying.
Oh, Daddy.
Because you know,
Daddy.
I met a young lady. I think said Tamana Zali from the other side. No. Oba ona say, oh, hey, so is that you? I thought you're an old man, oh. Okay. Because I do High Life music. I say High Life. I say for old.
I should say for oldies.
For old. And are we all not Ghanaians, young and old and middle aged?
Yeah.
The High Life man penny phone kwan. Let's see when they. Yes, High Life is expensive, our class, yes, but every human, class, and this is our music. What I say, send a net
okay.
High Life in your cabbage, and idea. Matchizina me power. Me bokwa me chon rap
very
steady.
Yeah.
No, very steady.
Okay. Right, it's moving away from that, Yeba nominations, awards nominations. VGMA's nomination list number out. Ebi Fire Life.
Oh, not the, I think say me contact me for Nambisa.
Okay.
So under label they never be no control.
Okay.
Yeah, so meaning if they filed and I say VGMA so.
So okay, fine. So with the list about we went through, no, and we were expecting that Sex at least would have been there in the High Life Song of the Year, and probably yourself one, the High Life Artist of the Year category. But we didn't see any of this.
Oh, okay.
And if you say you wouldn't know if your team fouled, what exactly are you trying to say?
Okay, so like I said, I belong to a label.
Right.
So label know a direction.
Okay.
And I account more.
Okay.
You know, so I don't know if they filed and I unqualified.
But if they didn't file, or if they filed that, wouldn't you know? Like, wouldn't they seek your knowledge before?
No, a label. They can decide to tell me that Ochina here call landing, and yes, if they are not more planning all this while, but they won't give you details.
Okay.
A label, and you belong to them. You assign us age, man. Say, offer me Ochina, and then you make us say to go landing and now. Need to make us prepared.
Okay.
I'm an artist. Go and work.
Okay. How about situations where you don't necessarily have to file, but
yes, that's
the organizers
exactly.
also see said this is worth it, and then they put it.
And also, so that's if you call that direction. I can say every award scheme, award there almost.
Okay.
So probably, and you know, it's funny. Mostly this side, I say, when you are more or less not a musician. You know, it needs to be everywhere. And sana nipaka. Like these award schemes, no, and mostly you would agree with me that it is for the canon or and yes, solely for quality of, because there are certain categories. Utimu say we no, and you voting na, anka isimesi fire.
Okay.
But when doors, we nipa ehun crowd doors in winting or fire. But anka ye categories be voting ni more. To say be a songwriter of the year. And as a popular song, we all know, say, you might be popular, you don't need somebody to tell you, say, and you will a popular sing way. What you say? Now you see voting. Into say, be a memorium between a popular sing and you be a. Now you see voting, and any panel, or dumb singing. Not only vote, don't sing there. He wins.
Okay.
That's where you should say, oh, when the thing is, per rules, no, nipa no winning and they're valid.
Okay.
Because the rules say you vote. If you man, good, you fancy a presenter. Na say ya foul na afo bi foforo e bia nipa no edom dooso not to say unye good o obi ani mpo say we good since nipa no but na ho dom dooso ya see vote na vote ya e bedu ono oni vote apa on be 1000 me am fan ma the whole Ghana knows that you are better a presenter than ono but vote na di unya e ban say ono ni award no as much as to we ask no nya valid no to the scheme any category no description no or a valid winner. Meaning say damage what yeah. So that's what I mean say if possible I am I'm not saying say man my business. I mean iska stage lights. I mean
of course
venue and iska.
Yeah.
Into say baby 1 or 2 places do or e be man dem na the original award winner nanga say to me afar and kind of gradually would make people fall in love and especially like songwriter of the year. Any I don't know other categories, but maybe I can say motivational song of the year. I've not seen any anywhere, but a man will start thinking to write things. A man uplift so near be good because when him say or trying far and I appreciate here. And any musician be catch say award winner no boy because a man or chinebi unye numbium and now chinebi uniwa and no pen ultimate chair say once upon a time. I'm a musician.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
When I'm a teacher, it's not like we should do music for awards.
Yeah. I remember so I've had a convo with you. I'll say you don't dwell too much on awards. It's about content nowadays.
Exactly.
Exactly. So again, with the nominations and looking at what last year brought and all that and the hard work you put out, not getting a nomination, let's be human. How do you feel?
Oh, I'm fine. I think I need to work harder. That's all.
Okay.
Yes, I told you earlier that even for the people to love you, you need to keep working. You need to feed them constantly. That's my saying. High Life na sabi and you be out to Mirror Studio and why I know assign. I take it time kakra. So what we're planning to do is do a lot of it. Maybe I offer back one. You just listen to it, give it a touch, and I change 1 or 2, and then send at least every 3 months. Piano. Because we witness a sex by inch and you release many shatters.
Yeah.
So that's what we're planning to do. Like feed the people.
Back to back.
Yes, yeah, try so that you be in their minds and they would want to associate with you. What must say? So and you say well, na me can kind say ba Yeah, some papa.
Yeah.
Someone say, oh, why one file go by? Normally, it make you feel that you're working. People are recognizing you.
Right.
So filing so kwana say am fawa. I mean, it's not the end of the. It doesn't mean anything to you. You need to feed the people. You keep feeding them, and then before you know, 1 or 2 hour schemes are organized.
Sure. Right. And as an artist, over the years, our music, has there ever been a time that you have thought of quitting music?
You want me to be sincere?
Very sincere.
Okay. If I answer you, tell me that what happened. I know you, so.
Of course, you can't just say yes or no and not explain.
I know you.
It's good you know me, so.
Okay, Meg can say, okay, it should be to. I mean, the fans deserve to know. Yes, there's been few times I felt like, well, leave it and just go.
Okay, why? What happened? It's a follow-up, definitely.
Right. Okay, so I think that the one earlier attention, I felt that I was doing my best, but attention ain't back.
Okay.
And I feel that too. It's like you're saying, like awards win, and as an artist we should grow. And I think I've grown out of that thought. Say,
okay.
If you be sanka first and I say, oh, nothing na make you weapon useless, but no, there are other people who would appreciate you. I quite remember there was one issue Bisana. Penny Bipa me body.
Okay.
Penny Bipa, I don't know how you got my number. Called me and told me, hey, I love you. I love your works.
Okay.
Keep doing it. I'm your number one fan. Okay. And that alone gave me a boosting me. And that was more than Momo for me.
Okay.
Because at that time, that was what I needed, not money.
Right.
Because now me say into me bomb me home odi yanko ponse we na menye me tro me ma me sre na anu aboa me na ma chro Ghana for say fine na then na e ba ne say there and dem who say fine. You understand? Yeah, so the two nobody has ever said say kumenwum nye fine and now kumi ni content and so why is it that these places I don't make it through? Obi timi ba na say anu abefem ko no agigi bia no ko now te ho na ogu so ye anya say wasesa no no be so and somebody will say oh NSS sound taxes. We need to think about the generation.
Okay.
It is because they do other things, foreign genres, and then senior acquires a not attention action more. And I believe a lot of other things also play a role, like management, like because an artist's life, there are so many beautiful artists out there, and even all the artists that are big here and even abroad had good management, that died for them. What I said, the likes of Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, with the CDs and stuff, you name them. You would find a team and a person there.
Right.
They push it through for them.
Right.
Yeah.
With that said, then we will wrap up. But that said, all these people, they've had a team behind them. You happen to be signed on to one of the best labels in Ghana, Xylophone Music. And don't you think, say, with Sankey Khan, the team and the people behind them, Anka Xylophone is a force to reckon with.
You want me to dig into issues, so I'll do it for you. Okay, I think with my signing, or maybe few ones that I have noticed or realized, Xylophone allows you to pick managers for yourself. So it wouldn't look like Onona or because the artist be room. Say a common manager say on conflict of interest.
Right.
So come with your people. What you say? Inti be kumini ni call for 2, 3, 4, 1 aba. Say we no be pia agenda no. So as a label, we sit down. Okay, or see you say na me here. Na ya equip no.
Okay.
To go and work. Into ono ya yawa. It is not the label's fault.
So team here we yawa.
Oh. We don't say it's
a simple question. Team here we yawa.
See, would all bear witness. Like I said earlier, and I went to Kumasi for an interview.
Okay.
Somebody will call. It's not because Xylophone is not giving what it's supposed to give to work.
Okay.
But the echo feeling says obey Juman. And you obey oh say for say any na asem ni see. I thought I see. I always say artists, any managers, a relationship, a very dicey.
Okay.
Artist would always be artist. Manager, on the other hand, you be a manager and offer artists say oba. And I salute Bulldog, the CDs and CD fights for Stonebwoy Okun.
Okay.
Okun chedi say you will be on stage.
Oh dear, asa wo okasa dos. But ya me pese wutie okana nkasa you are not saying it. We know say your former manager was Ashes. Is this in relation to that?
We are so in America say he's not the only person.
Okay.
Coming up, you would find a lot of people like
so you have been, I try and say you've been so unfortunate. So Nadine help you?
No. Even Ashes you're mentioning helped.
Okay.
Yes. But at a point in time, a do baby and I say, I don't know. And they just say, if you're on one person would be standing there. Me name the band nipatrim. Every man nipa there. Even the brand itself, not person or saying. And then you talk ill about the brand to other people almost to promoting your mono. So and yet Yankopon adomo anka na meti anka menti o anka odo nyum kwako bibia yemmo
nti anu nti na one me aye adwuma enyame so mfaso ayi o na say me e baaye nana
ono bia anya adwuma sa unya sa experience that
you spoke out of emotions when it came up, which means
you see I'm very happy you are trying to connect it to music.
Exactly, so make it easy.
That's what music does.
Okay.
Bonia for am to obi friend say hey Charlie Masem no waka no. Hey, massive, and that's how beautiful high life is. Because o can't send Emma can't and Crawford send woman feel.
I know they can't Crawford send one that's our
we say out no.
Now me pesa o.
Okay, you bonia pa no Emma say na Hannah start ejuma.
Na say you grow.
It's my the mommy grow.
So you've grown out of us. Okay.